how to add photos in Instagram Notes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, first make sure that the Instagram is updated. Once you have updated your Instagram, open it up, and on the top right, you'll see the DM section. Tap on it, and here you can see what's new. This is where you add your notes. So, tap on it, and then there you'll see camera icon. So go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see that the camera icon opens up. So this means that only you can click picture from the camera app and then post it in your notes. You can add it from your gallery. So if you want to, you can just change to selfie mode, or you can even click picture of the scenery. So once you've clicked the picture, what you can do is you can just tap on the tick option and then add it to your note with a caption. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.